Okay, hello, welcome back. The seventh and final video for the week 4 is the triad problems. These are examples from section 3.1, which is complex numbers. And so the triad problems, here are the first 4. I thought, I'm not going to do these in front of you. Because the first one is, expressing the square root of negative 24 as an imaginary number. Well, you bring the I out. I times square root of 24. And then here's the way, actually it's convention, the way we mathematicians would do it. You'd have the real number first, the I second, and then the square root of 6 is what's left. Yeah. And so number 2, plot this point. Well, this is the complex plane. A real number here, imaginary number here. So the point negative 4, negative I is there. The third one, subtract 2 plus 5i from 3 minus 4i. By the way, the English language, with subtraction, when you say subtract 7 from 11, means 11 minus 7. So this is what it looks like. 3 minus 2, minus 4, minus 5 is minus 9i. That's the subtraction. And then the last one that I just did is a constant times an imaginary number. The constant time, negative 4 times 2 is negative 8. Negative 4 times 6i is negative 24i. So I did those 4 for you real quick. And then the rest of this video is going to be, I'm going to do this one, multiply 2 of them, and then I'm going to do an example of division, and then seeing how long we go, whether or not we get to number 7. It'd be another example of division. We'll see. But so right now, that's the plan, and I'm going to erase this and we're going to multiply this two. And it's FOIL. And please understand, this is theoretical. We're multiplying a point by another point, and we're going to get a third point. This is vector analysis all over. Anyway, so this is 8 minus 20i plus 6i, going the other way, minus 15i squared. 15. Minus 15i squared. Here's the whole point of the thing. I squared is negative 1. Note, I squared is negative 1, from the definition. So this is plus 15. 8 measure these, minus 14i plus 15 is 23, right? Took a point on a plane, a complex plane, and multiplied by another point on the complex plane. We got this one. Draw that sometime. It's interesting. The whole concept is interesting. You draw that. Well, you will. Yeah, you're going to. Calc 3. Actually, I think Calc 3 is when you really get to vectors and stuff. What are we going? 5. So, I'm making up a problem. Divide. 1 minus I over 3 plus 2i. Okay, I'm dividing that. Time, and I'm making this up. This is on a page. I just made it up. I don't know what to. So I need this conjugate. And then minus 2i. Okay, come on. Come on. So the conjugate of a plus bi is a minus bi. By the way, I should have made that negative. The conjugate of this is negative 3 plus 2i. I should have made that first one negative. Anyway, so I got the conjugate because the bottom, 3 plus 2i times 3 minus 2i, is going to be a real number. 9 plus minus 6i plus 6i, go! Minus 4i squared, which is 9 plus 4, which is 13. That's the bottom. So then we go 1 minus I times 3 minus 2i, and it's a problem like multiplication, like we just did. We're going to FOIL it. It's all over 13, by the way. 3 minus 2i minus 3i, I'm FOILing, plus 2i squared. So this is 3 minus 2. minus 5I all over 13, 1/13 minus 5/13 I. I took one number divided by a point on a plane, divided by another point in a plane, and I got another one. Draw that. Okay, 6 and 7, yeah. And they're just putting, I'm not sure I asked you to do this, but this is kind of putting all the stuff we've done together. 6 is on the bottom of page, I thought I labeled it, 204. They're both on page 204. X squared minus 5x plus 2. X squared minus 5x plus 2 is f of x equals, there's a function there, and they want the function's value at some imaginary number, 8 minus I. Wait a second. No, beautiful stuff. I got the 2x squared minus 3x. It makes it better. I copied the problem down. F of x is 2x squared minus 3x. And they want the function's value at 8 minus I. That makes it a little bit easier. Oh yeah, I did this already. 2x squared minus 3x. So now we're going 2 times 8 minus I squared minus 3. And then we just do algebra. It's a theoretical chapter. I hope you worked on it because it'll help you with your algebra skills. That's so important what's coming. 2 times, I'm squaring this binomial. 64 minus 16I plus I squared minus 3 times 8, 24 plus 3I. Algebra. 2 times 64, 128. 2 times 16 minus 32. I should have done that. This is minus 1. It was minus 2. Oh boy. I did that quickly. This is minus 1 times this 2. Minus, what is that? 24 plus 3I. Okay, we're just grouping some terms here. 128 minus 2 is 126. Minus 24 is 102, I think. Minus 32 plus 3 minus 29. Function value 8 minus x. May as well do the last. It's a division problem. It's going to turn into this, which is all right. F of x equals, 204. Bottom of 204. X plus 1, x minus 4. Plus 1 over x minus 4. Evaluate f at something. Negative I. Ooh, cool. Negative. Good for you. Here we go. There's so much. Negative I plus 1 over negative I minus 4. Hey, I'm glad, because that conjugated. Good. So that's what we want to do. We want to divide. It was like the problem I just made up, a couple problems ago. And so we need this conjugate here. I hope you understand that that's what it is. That's important. That's the essence of what we're doing here. And if we're doing on the top, we're doing on the bottom. Let's do the top first. At the bottom, we know that's going to work out kind of nicely. So I'm going to take negative I plus 1 and multiply it by negative I plus 4. It's this. I'm multiplying the dividends, the tops, the numerators. This is negative I. Negative I times negative I is I squared. Negative I times 4 is negative 4I. 1 times negative I is minus I. 1 times 4 is 4. So the top, the numerator, that's negative 1. You understand? Negative 1 plus 4 is 3. Minus 4 minus 1 minus 5I over. Bottom, hey, I'm just going to say it. I'm going to work it out, but I'm going to say it. It's a squared plus b squared. 1 plus 16. It's going to turn out to be 17. Again, I think we did one like that. But so this is going to be 17 down here. But hey, or over here. Where are we? Negative I plus 4 times negative I plus 4. Oh, minus 4. Yeah, I got it. Okay. Which is, this is I squared. This is minus 4I. This is plus 4I. Minus I times minus. And this is plus 16. I squared is negative 1, oops, which is 16, 15, something wrong. I thought it was going to be 17. So put this at 15. So the answer, this got long, 3/15, which is 1/5 minus 5 over 15 minus 1 over 3. Sorry about that laugh. Check that. Could be wrong there. Hey, see ya.